Yeah, hot outside, 85-degree weather, you know what I mean? But we got the hotter car right here to prove it. Hey, who am I joined with today?
Jacob Elnor.
Jacob Elnor, make and model.
2008 Honda Ridgeline.
It's serious business right here, y'all. This is amazing color right here. You already know what it is, but favorite feature of this car?
Probably the sound. It's really nice.
What that sound?
Wait, what did you say?
What that sound go?
It's boom, boom, boom.
Dang, we ain't like those. I'm trying to hear that, you know, that stuff, that type of stuff, yeah. But okay, most memorable moment though, because everybody got memorable moments, right?
Yeah, probably the first time I ever drove it. It was like just me cruising down the road and listening to music. It was a vibe.
You cruising down, you know what it is, baby. Holla at your boy, Jacob Elnor, Mr. President. Oh my God, fellas, look at this nice beauty right here. Hold up, son. Hey, what is this, man? What is this? What's your name first?
Colin Aiken.
Alright, but like, what is this right here?
This is a 2016 Mini Cooper S.
So sweet, bro. Hey, favorite feature?
Ooh, the engine. It go crazy.
How crazy?
Just listen.
Holy mother of God. That's a beast right there. What's your memorable moment though?
Ooh, I accidentally drifted it going through a roundabout, but I saved it.
Put him in a Fast and Furious movie, y'all. This John right here, Vin Diesel got nothing on that. Word.
Yo, man, we back here in Guam. We got this beautiful drop-top weather, man. Who am I joining with today? Eric Grunbonds. Yes, sir, man. We got the beautiful car right behind. Full making miles this right here. It's 2010 GMC Terrain. Oh, man, see that? See that in the street? It's gonna blind you. It's shining at you, blinging in your face, man. Feel me? But what's your favorite feature of this car? Definitely this beautiful red paint job. Oh, yes, sir. That's that nice red right there, man. You feel me? But what's your most memorable moment of this car?
Definitely the other week when I killed a bird.
Oh, man. That bird is definitely not flying anymore, man. Rest in peace to that bird, man. Very unfortunate.